101 miles an hour coming south.
100?
101.
60.
You're going, no. No alcohol tonight?
No, not at all.
No? So we're at a .177. Do you know what the legal limit?
No.
So the legal limit is .08. All right, so you're twice the legal limit.
In today's episode of Cop's Dream, we will witness a drunk girl turning the road into her personal racetrack, speeding down the highway at over 100 mph, fueled by arrogance and alcohol. With lives at risk and chaos unfolding, her reckless behavior quickly spiraled into a full-blown emergency. But when the flashing lights appeared in her rearview mirror, the real drama began. What happens when a dangerous cocktail of entitlement and recklessness meets the long arm of the law? Buckle up for this high-speed showdown that will leave you speechless. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more jaw-dropping stories every day. On the evening of September 3rd, 2023, an officer pulled over a vehicle traveling at over 100 mph in a 60 mph zone. The driver, a 19-year-old teenager, accompanied by a 16-year-old passenger, was observed speeding, swerving, and driving without headlights, behaviors that raised immediate concern for law enforcement.
Officer Mulner, police. You know why I'm stopping you? No? So what are you reaching for?
My ID.
Your ID? Okay. I'm stopping you for speed. You were going 101 miles an hour coming south.
100?
101. You're going, no.
I was. I'm so
Back when I
sorry.
first saw you, so right at path, you passed me. I was all blacked out, no lights on.
No, I did not see that.
I was going, you were going 100 miles an hour. Are you trying to find your license? Okay. How old are you guys?
I'm 20, but...
20?
Yeah.
And how old are you? 16?
She's
So
my
who
cousin.
do the buzz balls in the back belong to?
They belong to me.
To
like,
you?
She didn't drink any of them, but I did.
You did? When did you drink those?
I drank them like a day ago.
A day ago?
They're like a day old.
Okay. No alcohol tonight?
No, not at
No?
all.
You not have your license on you?
I don't, but I'm I'm 19 years old.
Okay. So you just told me you were 20, now you're 19? You turned 20 when?
Yes.
That was a long time ago, no?
No, I'm 19, but I turned 20 in January.
Oh, okay. So a couple months from now?
First, driving at such excessive speeds directly violated Florida Statute 316.183, which prohibits driving at a speed greater than is reasonable and prudent under the conditions. Specifically, traveling over 50 mph above the limit is classified as a criminal offense in Florida, punishable by fines up to $1,000, a mandatory court appearance, license suspension for 1 year, and potential jail time of up to 90 days for a first offense. When questioned, the teenage driver admitted to consuming alcohol earlier in the evening. A subsequent breathalyzer test revealed a blood alcohol concentration back of 0.177, more than twice the legal limit of 0.08 for drivers over 21 and far exceeding the zero tolerance threshold of 0.02 for drivers under 21.
I'm so sorry, I don't have...
Do you have anything with like your name on it in your purse? You don't have a debit card, a credit card, anything?
Because I left all my ID at the party.
What party were you guys at? 15?
Yes.
Quinceañera or no?
Yes.
Yeah, where at? And where you guys headed now? You're heading to the quinceañera or you're coming from the quinceañera?
No, we're heading to the quinceañera, but I left my bag there because we're already there. We only live like 10 minutes.
Are you said your name is Erica?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you keep reaching in the back?
Because my bag's there. I have 2 bags. I have my personal bag and my...
I don't see another bag there, so if you don't mind, please stop reaching back there.
No, I will. I thought I had my bag there, but I think I left it at the party. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
My ID's in the bag.
That's fine. Did you?
Yes.
How many tacos?
4.
4 tacos. What kind were they?
Masala.
Pastor?
Steak.
Steak? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And you only had those 4 tacos?
Yes, ma'am.
What time were those at?
Around 11.
Would you be willing to do some tests just so I can make sure you're good to drive?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just a couple minutes till my partner gets here, and then we'll get you out.
Look for my license because
We'll be okay without it. I can find your information
sure?
without
Okay.
it. Yeah. We're just gonna wait for my partner to get here. All right, Erica, if you don't mind just stepping out. Yeah. I get some too. She said she's going from.
Driving under the influence, DUI, is a severe offense under Florida Statute 316.193. A first-time DUI offense for drivers under 21 with a BAC over 0.08 carries penalties of a fine ranging $500 to $1,000, imprisonment of up to 6 months, mandatory DUI education programs, vehicle impoundment for 10 days, and license suspension for a minimum of 6 months. For drivers under 21 with a BAC between 0.02 and 0.08, the penalty includes an automatic 6-month license suspension. Adding to the legal violations, officers discovered containers of alcohol in the car and evidence of cannabis possession.
Hey, Erica, do me a favor and turn the car up too.
Yeah, of course.
Hopefully that way it should disconnect, so that way she can just talk on the phone. And then step back here for me, please. And then, do you have anything on you that I need to know about?
No.
Would you be okay if I patted you down just to make sure?
Of course,
okay. Go back towards your car though. Do you mind cutting my fronts? Thank you. All right, just face your car. So it's just going to be open hands, okay? All right, you're good. You can face me. So what exactly did you drink at the party?
Not at all. It was just a couple buzz balls.
Okay.
But we weren't there to actually drink. There was just a couple buzz balls because I know I had to take her home. So I wasn't going to drink a lot. But obviously I know how to take my tolerance, my drinking. I'm not trying to say like it was okay. I've never driven under the influence or anything. I never gotten pulled over or anything. I did get pulled over once for an emergency. I was going over 20 over, but it was because a family actually injured. The officer, unfortunately, didn't understand that, so it's on my record. But other than that, I don't have anything else under. No, ma'am.
How many buzz balls did you drink?
One.
Back seat?
Yes, but that's not from us. That's one from hers, and that's one from my sister. But my sister's a lot younger, and my mom lets her drink, but she's at home for that. So honestly,
so how many did you drink at the
Just
party?
one.
Just the one?
Yes.
Was it also the yellow one, or which flavor was it?
Yes, ma'am. It was the chili mango one.
The chili mango one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you know what time you drank that at?
Right now, I'd probably say around 9 or 10 right now.
9. Okay, so about an hour to 2 hours ago,
Yes,
you'd say?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And when did you eat those tacos?
I probably ate them like 10 minutes right after because I got there right after. So it really didn't affect me at all because the eating just kind of calms it down.
Okay.
So I did so I'm okay to drive. I really am.
All right. Do you see anything on this white line that's going to affect you from walking in a straight line on it?
No.
Okay. Do you have anything that's going to affect you from walking in a straight line in general? No? No injuries?
No.
Okay. So what I need you to do is place your left foot on that line and then put your arms down at your side and stay like this until I tell you to begin the test. Do you understand? Okay. So when I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this line. Okay. When you get to that 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around, take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line.
So just 9?
Just.
Transporting open containers of alcohol in a vehicle is prohibited under Florida Statute 316.1936, which is punishable by a fine of up to $500 and community service. Additionally, unlawful possession of cannabis under Florida Statute 893.13 can result in penalties of up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine for a first-degree misdemeanor.
9. So, I'm going to demonstrate 3, you're going to do 9, okay? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Series of small steps. 1, 2, 3. Again, I did 3, you're going to do 9. Your legs straight, watch your feet, keep your legs straight, keep your arms at your side, count out loud. Do not stop until you have completed the test. Okay? Give me just 1 second, I got to move that spotlight off. All right, so back into that starting position, that left foot, right foot in front, hands down at your side. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
So, there you go, right foot in front. Make sure they're touching heel to toe, just like this. And then whenever you're ready, you may begin. All right. Was one of the instructions to count out loud?
No, not at all.
No?
I just
Sure?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You were supposed to be counting out loud to where we could hear it, okay? So, for this last test, can you stand right where my flashlight is again and face me? So, just like that first one, feet together just like this, hands down at your side. All right, and then just stay like that, okay? So when I tell you to, you're going to raise either foot, whichever you choose, whichever's more comfortable for you, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep it parallel to the ground. Okay. So do you know what parallel means?
Yeah, like just straight.
So like straight, right?
Yeah.
So like it's not at an angle, it's just straight. And you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
1,000 or just continue at 1,000.
So count just like that, like 1,001,
Okay.
1,002, 1,003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
No worries, yeah.
Okay? 1,002, 1,003, and you're going to keep going until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? When you're doing the test, arms down at your side, watch your feet, count out loud, keep your legs straight.
Yes.
Okay? Do you have any questions about any of that?
No, not at all.
Okay. Whenever you are ready, you may begin. So make sure your foot out just like this, and then arms down at your side. Alright, you can stop. Alright, last thing I'm going to ask you to do is give us a breath sample. Would you be willing to do that for me?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. So just come to the front of this car for me, please.
No worries. How
And
am I
we're
doing
just,
so far?
we're just going to go right here.
Okay. Honestly, how am I doing so far?
We can discuss that when we're done with the breath test, okay?
I know I'm not doing that bad though because I really didn't drink.
I think we had a little bit more than one buzzball, is my guess. That or our tolerance is not the highest.
It's my tolerance is the highest, so I would say a bus ball would be fine.
Okay. You ever done one of these before?
No, I have not.
No?
No. Yes.
Okay. It's just like that. So you're going to take a deep breath in. Then you're going to put your lips around the seal, so the straw. Deep breath out. It's going to hear a click when it's done. So if I say keep going, keep going, keep going, that means keep giving that breath out.
Sorry, just keep blowing it.
Yep.
No worries.
All right. All right, so whenever you're ready.
When asked to step out of the vehicle for field sobriety tests, the driver exhibited signs of impairment, including slurred speech and poor coordination. Despite her claim of only drinking one buzzball and consuming tacos earlier to offset the alcohol, her inability to pass the sobriety test supported the officer's suspicion of DUI. Refusing to cooperate with field sobriety tests or showing significant impairment during the tests could further reinforce DUI charges and may result in enhanced penalties under Florida law.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, we'll try again. But do that deep breath in, and then keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, just tell me you're not doing enough.
Yeah, I'm not doing enough.
Not doing enough, so tell me insufficient flow.
Nah, this is tweaking, bro.
All right?
Okay.
Deep breath in, and then deep breath out. All right? And keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go.
I know it's not tweaking after I did it the third time.
So we're at a 0.177. Do you know what
Is
the
that
legal
bad?
limit?
No.
So the legal limit is 0.08. All right, so you're twice the legal limit.
But I'm
All right.
okay though.
Can you take that straw for me?
Of course, yeah.
All right, you can throw that in your pocket wherever you want to throw it. All right, go towards the squad car for me, please. Put your hands behind your back. You are going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol, okay? Those aren't too tight for you, are they?
No, not at all.
Okay. I'm going to tighten them just to make sure they don't get any tighter on you, okay? So I'm going to lock them so they're not going to get tighter. Because when you sit against the partition in the car, I don't want them to get any tighter on you.
What about my friend? How does she go home?
We're going to call her parents because she's under 18, okay? This officer's going to make sure she gets home tonight.
How long do I have to stay here for?
If this is your first DUI, it'll be about an hour and a half, and you'll be out of here, okay? And we'll let you make phone calls when we get back to the station. We have to do a little bit of paperwork first, okay?
She's not.
We're going to get her home, okay?
Can I talk to her first though?
We can get it for you,
Okay.
okay?
Okay, that's fine. What are y'all checking my car for?
So we have to check the car, okay? So don't unbuckle your seatbelt. Don't start kicking things, hitting
I
things.
don't mean to, but why are y'all checking my car for?
To make sure there's nothing illegal in there, but also
will
we have
tow
to
my
make
car?
sure. Yep. We have to tow the car.
Do you mind if I take my purse?
It's all coming with you. There's also a white purse in the back. Is that yours as well?
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay.
Do you mind if I put my ID in? No,
Okay.
just let me put my ID in there because
Can't-
my ID is not in there.
I don't know where your ID is. We didn't
Mine-
find it in the car. I
No.
think it is still at the party.
No. My ID is either in the white bag or the black bag.
They're both coming with us.
Okay.
Okay.
What about Crystal?
She's gonna, her aunt is on her way here to pick her up right now.
As the situation escalated, the suspect began to argue and refused to comply with instructions, further complicating her case. Her erratic behavior, including kicking the squad car after being placed under arrest, highlighted her lack of cooperation. Damaging police property could lead to additional charges under Florida Statute 806.13 for criminal mischief. If the damage exceeds $200, The offense is elevated to a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying penalties of up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine.
So like I said, don't go kicking anything, because if you damage it, it's another charge.
I'm not trying to, but why are you checking the car for?
We have to. When we tow a car, we have to make sure that we check everything that's in it.
Gym bag, and that's it. That's all I have is my.
Your bags. She's over here. Your bags are coming with us.
Can I talk to
you cannot talk to her. I've already told you this multiple times. You can give her a phone call when we get back after we do some paperwork. I'm gonna get it for you. Okay. All right. Just don't be kicking the squad car.
Please, Mom.
All right, why are we still kicking the car?
What about my car?
It's getting towed, Erica.
Why is it getting towed?
When someone gets arrested for DUI, we have to tow the car.
But I was fine, though. I'm literally fine.
Okay, we're not going to argue it. We're not going to argue it on the side of the road. You get a court date. That's where you get to argue it. Okay? You blew a .177 and you're under 21. You can't have any alcohol in you. All right?
I'm not drunk at all. I passed the test.
Okay, do you need anything else from the car?
No, I just
Okay,
need my
okay. We're going to bring all that stuff with us, but you're not going to get it till we get back. If at any point you start kicking...
I'm not even kicking, bro. I just need to talk to her so she's underage, bro. I just need to make sure she's okay, bro.
She's okay. Alright, you can call her when we get back. Alright, here's what I'm going to tell you. If you unbuckle that seatbelt or you start kicking again while I'm driving,
I'm not gonna unbuckle the seatbelt.
I'm going to have to stop. Okay, you just did it earlier, so I'm telling you now, you're not unbuckling it. You're not unbuckling it. You're not hitting, you're not kicking. The point you do any of that stuff, the car is stopping.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
The woman was charged with driving under the influence, illegal transportation of alcohol, speeding, and unlawful possession of cannabis.
Ultimately, the young driver was charged with DUI, illegal transportation of alcohol, speeding, and unlawful possession of cannabis. The incident serves as a sobering reminder of the consequences of reckless behavior and impaired driving, especially for young drivers. Cooperation with law enforcement and adherence to traffic laws are critical to avoiding such severe legal repercussions. All right, it's time to see what goes down in the next scenario.
No one's asking you.
I need to get my phone.
Hey, listen, no one's asking you.
Hey, y'all.
We're gonna go in handcuffs for just everyone's
my arm
safety.
is broke.
Your arm's
my arm's been broke.
Okay,
Stop.
well, we're trying
Stop.
not to do this.
My arm's been broke.
Let go of your purse.
Stop.
Let go of your purse.
Ah!
What are you doing?
Y'all just re-broke my arm. Y'all just re-broke my arm. I swear to God. I swear to God.
On June 7th, 2023, police officers observed a car being driven erratically, swerving and hitting curbs in a residential area. Upon investigating, they discovered that the driver was a 12-year-old girl who explained that she had been told to drive by her mother, Taylor.
Ma'am, will you guys stop?
Who, me? I'm a kid.
Ma'am, hey, ma'am, don't make it anything that's not, okay?
It's not even that.
Stop. Okay, we'll just tow the car. That's fine. I'll just tow it. Nope, it's gonna get towed. Yeah, it'll get towed. No. Stay back there. Don't come up to me.
I'm not doing that.
Go over there.
For what?
Because I said so. Relax. Relax.
Man. I live right here. I don't care. I gotta.
Go.
I don't care. Easy response. What's that mean?
It means we fix quality of life issues.
Oh, cool. Hold on.
Ma'am, you're just gonna have a seat till you get identified. We're gonna tow your car, and that's all there is to it.
In the case of Taylor allowing a 12-year-old to drive, her actions likely violate laws related to permitting a minor to operate a vehicle in the U.S. One example is California Vehicle Code SS-146-0606, which prohibits anyone from allowing an unlicensed person to drive a vehicle. Penalties for violating this law in California can range from fines of $250 to $1,000, and in some cases it may result in arrest, especially if the minor's driving endangers others or causes an accident.
Young lady, how old are you?
13.
Okay.
I ain't did nothing. I'm gonna walk this right past you guys.
I appreciate you.
My son.
Just have a seat so we can ID you. Ma'am, just have a seat so we can ID you. It doesn't need to be all this.
I ain't even did nothing.
Okay, I'm sure you didn't.
I didn't.
Except for letting a 13-year-old drive.
It's not that letting the 13-year-old drive. Listen.
Take your purse off. Take your purse off. Take your purse off for him. No, take your purse off.
Listen, I don't have no weapons.
Take your purse off.
I gotta get my phone.
Hey, no one's asking you.
I need to get my phone.
Hey, listen, no one's asking you.
y'all.
We're gonna go in handcuffs for just
Hey,
everyone's
my arm
safety.
is broke.
Your arm's
my
broke.
arm's been broke.
Okay, so let go of your purse.
Stop.
Let go of your purse.
Ah!
What are you doing?
Y'all just re-broke my whole arm.
Re-broke your
Y'all
arm.
just re-broke my arm. I swear to God.
Re-broke your arm.
I swear to God. Hey, go get my son.
All right, you're going in.
Oh, my arm.
Well,
My arm.
we can have a sergeant come out.
Please,
you're gonna go
send
into
him out.
handcuffs.
Send him out.
Because the way you're acting,
Y'all know ain't no weapon right there. That little hurt.
step back.
Hey, get my son. My arm. They just re-broke my arm.
Step back. My
arm. Stop my arm. Stop my arm is broke.
Okay. And I'm trying to put an extra set of cuffs on you.
I believe it, but we're trying to. She will not listen to us.
This is all on you and no one else. So act like an adult.
I'm not doing nothing.
No, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, that's exactly what you're doing. I don't want nothing to happen to your arm.
Broke. It's broke.
Okay.
Oh my God. Kev, call your granny. Call your granny.
I got you. Calm down.
Put your arm.
No, I can't go behind.
She can't pull that. She can't pull that back. I swear to God, she can't pull
Okay,
that back.
let's go in front. Because I think your actions are what caused it to break and not mine, okay?
Break it. Yeah,
so we'll be
please.
more happy to
No,
call
no,
our
shit been
sergeant.
Get
broke.
my purse, son.
Have a seat. Put that shit
Get my
up.
purse. Get my purse.
I got it. Don't worry, I got it.
Give me my purse.
I got it. I got it. Do me a favor, you guys. Do me a favor, just step on over there for me, please. Yeah.
When officers approached to address the situation, Taylor became confrontational, resisted arrest, and claimed that her arm, which had been previously broken, was re-injured during the encounter. Despite her resistance, the officers were able to detain Taylor, noting that she appeared intoxicated and had allowed her young daughter to drive. Moreover, in the United States, allowing a child to drive a vehicle, especially when it leads to a traffic accident, constitutes a violation of child endangerment laws. One such example is California Penal Code SS 273A, which prohibits placing a child in a situation where their safety or well-being is at risk. Violating this law can result in misdemeanor or felony charges, depending on the severity of the risk or harm caused. Penalties for child endangerment can include fines of up to $10,000, imprisonment for up to 6 years, or both in more severe cases. Taylor's actions likely violate laws related to resisting arrest in the U.S. One example is California Penal Code SS 148A1, which makes it a crime to willfully resist, delay, or obstruct a law enforcement officer during their duties. In California, the penalties for resisting arrest can include a fine of up to $1,000, imprisonment in a county jail for up to 1 year, or both. In addition, she violated obstructing official business laws. For example, under Ohio Revised Code SS 2921.31, this offense is typically a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $750 fine.
Little man, go to your house, okay? Before I call Children's Services. There you go. That's a good way to talk. Actually, you know what? Come here as well. You were driving, correct? Come over here and talk to me. Huh? That's okay. Come on. Yeah, come on over here. I'll have you stand right there. But if you try to run or walk away, sure. Yeah, you're gonna walk to the front of my car, though. Walk to the front of my car. Right here, right here. Just walk right here. Walk right here. Right here to the front of my car. Hey, my actions didn't lead to this, yours did, okay? I'm trying to be cooperative with you, but I can't have you walking away and stuff.
Go get dad, bro.
Go get your dad. That's fine.
Go get dad!
I would say behind the 900 block of Danner. Or
900 block of Danner.
yeah, if you don't mind, Dad's gonna come over, so I'm sure I'll talk to him. Hello, Mr. Nicholson.
Shit. Ooh, what happened?
Well, I'll tell you. Come over here and talk to me.
Dang.
All right, you see the way? 12. I'm sorry. She
Why
said
was
13.
you driving the car?
She told me to.
So,
Where your mama at?
At home cooking.
so we see the car driving kind of erratic. They pull in here. They're hitting curbs. So as we come up, they're all switching seats, jumping out.
You sure I gotta be on there all the
I got you. She's the driver. She's not in trouble. She's a 12-year-old kid. I mean, I get it. This lady, who is she? Their aunt? Okay, so she's, I don't know if she's intoxicated or what, but she's having her drive. So like I said, your daughter's not in trouble. She's the one that's in trouble. I just wanted to make sure a parent was over here that could take, since she's obviously not a capable adult to do so. So if we could just get her name, her date of birth, we'll get your phone number and address, and then we'll go from there. So we cut loose, okay? Really quick, all right? We cuffed you in the front because your arm, okay?
Yeah.
So I can't have you trying to pull on doors and stuff.
No. I just want to get my phone.
Whose car is that? Whose car is it?
My son.
Where's your son at?
He in the house. That's all I'm worried about is my phone. That's all I'm asking. I'm in handcuffs. Can I get my phone?
We'll get your stuff. We will get your stuff. But you need to be cooperative with us, okay?
I am.
Now you are. This did not need to go anywhere near this way.
I was never in court. There's no way I can do anything without y'all consent.
But our body cam will show otherwise. But here's the thing. We were trying to handcuff you due to your actions. All right? If your arm was broken and it's rebroken, we will take you to the hospital. We will get you checked out before you go to jail. Absolutely. But right now, you're in the backseat of a car because of your actions and no one else's. Okay? Letting a 12-year-old drive, probably not the smartest thing to do. So I need you to just relax, all right? And we're gonna figure it out.
Can I just get my phone?
All right. What's up?
I really need my phone.
Why do you really need your phone?
Because I have surgery and everything due up.
Well, we're gonna get your phone. I'm not gonna leave here without your phone.
Get it out the front seat, please.
Where's it at? Front seat where?
In the front seat. It's a black and white case. I just need to make sure don't nobody take my phone.
I will make sure nobody takes your phone. I'll grab it right now.
Grab it.
All right. Hi, ma'am.
She's my friend, but I didn't know they was driving.
Well, I'm not saying that, but she's obviously intoxicated and
12 years.
Yeah, it's gonna be
She could have told some shit up. That's why they put his you running up on shit, man.
I didn't even know. I was in there cooking. I got flowers and shit on my mouth.
well, your kids aren't in trouble. They're kids, but it's her decision.
I thought y'all, because they was sitting right there. I'm like, she pulled up. She was talking to the kids. I'm in there cooking, and I got my stuff on.
Like I said, they're not in trouble for anything. You guys are good to take your kids. We have the info of your daughter. They're not getting a ticket or anything. She's 12 years old. You just gotta take your kids home to a safe place and we'll deal with her, okay? No, I mean, we're not towing the car. She says it's her son's. I'm gonna have him come move it. I'm not gonna tow his car for her mistakes.
I got license.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna tow her car for her.
She ain't going to jail, is
She will be going to jail, yeah. She's not only allowing a 12-year-old to drive, she's also intoxicated for allowing a 12-year-old to drive. So.
Okay, wait a minute. You can't handcuff her because her arm is messed up.
So she's handcuffed in the front.
She's handcuffed like this?
Yeah, and that's after her being super combative, and we tried to cuff her in the back. She said her arm must have been rebroken.
Yeah.
So we are gonna get medical treatment for her. We don't have to put her in handcuffs or anything.
Yeah, because her arm is really messed up.
And once she continues to say that, we put her in the front. So.
What's she back there hollering for? What the hell wrong? Wait a minute.
Well, I think she's slightly intoxicated.
Let me go. Can I talk to her for 1 second?
My sergeant's got to do his job, and then before we leave, ma'am, I promise I'll let you.
Wait a minute, Nate. Wait a minute.
He's trying to do his investigation, but as you can see, she's not cooperating.
Tell her I said shut the f*** up. Tell her I said that.
Well, I'll let mom talk to her. I'm sure mom can put a little more.
Let me go.
Well, give me a sec. He's got to do his job first. Okay. Hello.
I don't know.
We could just go back here. So
her arm is messed up.
They pulled it back. They weren't trying to get nothing.
No, but her arm is really up.
They pulled it back.
Did
they pull it back?
Yeah.
Oh, her arm is. Her arm is so messed up, man.
Okay, well, hear me out. I don't know that. I know that someone.
She's telling you that.
Well, I know that someone's being resistive. And she didn't tell us until we started doing it.
I told you that. Like,
yeah, you're right. Because we don't let people come and interfere with our arrest.
Coming out here for no.
But I got a job to do, right?
Is she handcuffed like this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they just came out. It's okay. She going to go to the hot doctor.
So it's not completely on us. Okay, we're doing our job to try to protect
we're
the
not speaking in.
Y'all might need to have to call the ambulance.
We have an ambulance on the way, ma'am.
So is she going to jail or what?
For resisting arrest.
Don't take her to jail.
Resisting arrest.
Ma'am, you know I'm always cooperative with everybody. I try to do what I can, but I mean she's the one that's uncooperative, letting the 12-year-old drive. That's just unacceptable. The 12-year-old hit. Is that your car? Whose car is that?
Where?
Because the 12-year-old hit the curb like 3 or 4 times. Okay. That's not safe for anybody. There's kids out here playing. And then we're trying to do our job.
You're just getting yelled at for
my man right here is kind of yelling.
No, but her arm is really. Like,
and she won't give us her purse or anything. We don't know if she has a weapon or anything. But our job is to protect ourselves and everyone else around.
I totally understand that. It's just, you know, I guess this is what it is. It's all right. It's okay.
And I get that. If she would have cooperated and said, hey, my arm's messed up, then we would have never put her in handcuffs.
Yeah, she got to go to the hospital. She's under the
We'll take her to the hospital. Yeah, you can hear them.
I didn't know if the ambulance coming here or not.
Yeah. But at the same time, we got a job to do, and that's to protect the citizens.
Right.
And a 12-year-old driving with an intoxicated subject in the passenger seat, that's not protecting the citizens.
Who's the 12-year-old that was driving?
Thank you.
Can I get her phone out the car? Why is the car being towed?
For safekeeping.
For what?
For safekeeping. Are you the registered owner? Is it in your name?
Wait a minute, I just need to know exactly why it's being towed.
For safekeeping.
What does that mean?
So, she allowed a 12-year-old to drive a car, which is a crime.
Okay.
So we were going to tow the car, so no one can let a 12-year-old drive that car. Unless the registered owner gets here before Sandy's does, we'd be more than happy to give her the car, give them the car.
Like, so there's no way. Wait a minute.
Is it your car?
Yes, it's my
Is it
car.
in your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name. Okay, so bye. Where, ma'am? What's your phone look like?
What's his person's name?
I asked him and he walked away.
Let him go. What is that? What the phone look like?
Yeah, I tried to look.
Let him go.
Taylor was subsequently charged with multiple offenses, including child endangerment, resisting arrest, and permitting a minor to operate a vehicle. She was also charged with transporting intoxicating liquor in a vehicle and obstructing official business.
Nobody's accusing you. Can we look at you?
I've been going to, man, domestic violence from somebody that broke my arm.
Ma'am, can we look at you? Yes. Okay. Can I help you doing?
I ain't doing nothing for nobody trying to take me to jail. I'm not no criminal. I'm not a criminal. Y'all gonna tow the car to it. Y'all gonna try to take me to jail? Like for real, a lot of shit that be going around here, y'all trying to take me to jail?
Okay.
Man, nah.
I want you to calm down.
You want us here or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Relax. Go to my phone in. You got my phone, son? Stop. I don't need no aggressive like I still need to talk to my family though. I'm not a criminal. Sorry.
You want to go to the hospital by yourself?
Still need to talk to my family.
Do you want us to
Like y'all still trying to disrespect me?
Do you want us to take you or do you want somebody else?
Hey, go.
Okay, do you want somebody else to take you or do you want us to take you? That's yes or no question. Okay. Then worry about your own stuff later. We're going to take you. What's up?
Oh my God.
Is it possible to have her uncuffed? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not a criminal. I ain't
They're
did
taking-
nothing. I got one kid. I ain't got no
Let me take
criminal.
these cuffs off
They're
of you.
taking the cuffs off right now. So what happened that you think you
I was
broke
just
your arm?
he forced my arm.
And you think that because they put it behind your back that it broke your
I
arm?
feel it. My humerus was broke.
Okay, I'm gonna feel around. I'm just feeling to make sure that so they both feel the same.
No, it's right here.
It's right here? Okay. Did you feel a pop or a crack?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm at this point I'm not concerned with that. I'm not
I'm not a
concerned with that.
criminal. I swear I'm not.
Okay. Ma'am, if you say that one more time, ma'am, won't take it straight. If you say that you're not a criminal one more time, I'm gonna kick you out of the house. You can find another way to the hospital, okay? Okay?
Don't
Because-
kick
yes,
me out.
I'm concerned only with your health,
Yes.
okay? We're gonna deal with that. Okay, alright. So do me a favor. Try to raise your arm for me.
It's not gonna raise.
Try to raise it. Okay. Which hospital do you prefer? Which one do you prefer?
Valley or Grandview?
I'm gonna go to the Valley because the Grandview was the one that played me.
That played you?
Yeah.
If you want to tell Lane.
I'll go to the Valley.
Alright, I'm going to ride with you.
Yeah,
Hey, just give me 1 sec.
I was supposed to get surgery the 17th of May. I was supposed to be getting scheduled for my surgery, which is, they didn't give me a designated time when it was scheduled, but I was supposed to be getting scheduled for surgery. They were supposed to manipulate my shoulder to make it, because I can't bend my elbow or anything. So, that being said,
It's been like that for a year?
It's been like that almost a year. August 29th will make it a
Taylor's actions show a significant lack of responsibility as a mother. Allowing her 12-year-old daughter to drive not only endangered the child but also others on the road, violating laws on child endangerment and permitting a minor to operate a vehicle. Overall, her behavior reflects poor judgment and a failure to protect her child's safety. What do you think about Taylor's case? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching Cop's Dream. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more real-life law enforcement stories. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.